Here's an older washing machine, must be from the 80s. It's a General Electric washing machine. But anyway, filled up with water. And it won't start washing. And you turn the timer and it won't spin. It won't even take the water out. So I thought, okay, maybe it's the switch here. Switch is still good. I did lift the cover off. There's two. You put a screwdriver in here and you snap it open here and one here. After that, I took this cover off here to see if I could hear the timer, and I can hear the timer running. This was the second attempt. And then the third attempt here, I took the back off of the machine here. Okay, I don't have it plugged in right now. Okay. So I crawled underneath here just to have a look at the wires. And you can see right there, you can see how the plug-in's burnt. See right there how the plug-in is burnt? Okay. I have to get my hand in there and show you. But anyway, the yellow wire. Anyway, you see the yellow wire? It's completely burnt right off. See? Okay, you can see I bypassed the plug and I just connected the wire here. I'm going to tape it up in a minute here, but I want to show you the other one here. Right there, you see the white wire right there has a little bit of black on it. So I'm going to do the same thing with the white wire, because in time that white wire is going to burn through. So I'm going to cut the white wire and bypass the plug. Okay, push the screwdriver, let's see. And it's running again.